Welcome to my channel, Madhu Management. Hello, my name is Madhu Kumar. Today in this video, I am going to telling about top 7 common interview questions and answers. Everyone prepare for the interview, either you are a fresher or an experienced. But we always prepare an interview because interview asks a question to give them satisfactory answers. First question is, tell me about yourself. This is the top most common interview question asked in almost every interview. In this question, interviewer wants to know how you describe yourself. So, first I will tell you what are the points you should include while giving answer to such kind of question. First, start with your name. In this point, you always tell your full name. The next point is place. Then your highest qualification, which you are studied. Then next point is your skills. The fifth point is job experience, if any. Next, finally, your family details in short. Let us see the example. My name is Madhu Kumar. I live in Mysore. I have done B in mechanical. My skills are good verbal and written communication skills, purchase, capacity planning, optimum utilization of 7Ms, production planning, production control, inventory management, Kaizens, CIPs, SAP, sales, design tools like AutoCAD, CATIA, etc. I have 4+ years of experience in automobile industry as a PPC engineer. I have father and mother in my family in Mysore. So, in such a way, give short and sweet answer. I hope you understand. Now, let us see the next question. The second common interview question is, what are your greatest strengths? The interviewer wants to know what are your strengths and how the strengths will be beneficial for the company. While giving such kind of answer, you can include many points, which is matching to your skills, and let us see that point. First point is good verbal and communication skills. The second point is ability to handle pressure. The next point is fast decision making. The next point is flexibility. Finally, self-motivated. Now let us see one example that how you can answer such kind of question. My greatest professional strength is ability to handle pressure and work under a tight deadline. I think that would help me succeed in this position. So, in such a way, give short and sweet answer. I hope you understand. Now, let us see the next question. And the next common interview question is, what do you consider to be your weakness? This is also an important question which interviewer wants to know your weakness. Let us see points. First point is straightforward. Second point is sensitive. And next point is trust people very quickly. And the fourth point is take decision very quickly. And the finally, I am a bit lazy about which I am not interested. Let us see one example that how you can answer such kind of question. I am a person straightforward and also I am a bit lazy about which I am not interested. The next common interview question is, why should we hire you? While giving such kind of answer, you can include many points which is matching to your skills, and let us see the point. The first point is my skills related to job. The second point is work experience. Finally, career goal. Let us see one example that how you can answer such kind of question for fresher. As a fresher, I am interested in learning new things. As a student, I learn things theoretically, but I am waiting for an opportunity to implement them in a practical way. If you will hire me, I will do my level best. So in a such a way, fresher can give short and sweet answer. Now, let us see another one example that how you can answer such kind of question for experience. For experience, from the research I have done, your company is looking for a skilled communicator and experienced PPC engineer to achieve the 100% delivery performance and help your company stand out from the competition. At my previous company, I achieved 100% delivery performance by established routes and schedules for the work that will ensure the optimum utilization of materials, workers and machines, and to provide the means for ensuring the operation of the plant in accordance with these plans. So in a such a way, experienced persons can give short and sweet answer. Now let us see the next question. The next common interview question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? This is also important question which interviewer wants to know. Let us see points. First point, moving up the ranks. Second point, long-term career. Let us see one example that how you can answer such kind of question. I am glad you asked. One of the reason that I applied to this company was because of your company's reputation for helping with its employers' career growth as well as providing advancements opportunities. Long-term commitment from an employer is important to me because it creates a sense of belonging and really brings out my desire to go to battle for the company. I hope you are understand. Let us see the next question. The next common interview question is, tell me something which is not there in your resume. This is also important question. For this question, you don't repeat your name, place, skills, work experience, family details and all, because these details you are already mentioned in your CV. So instead of that, which is not mentioned in your CV, that point should be expected by an interviewer. Now let us see the point. First point is life experience. Second is share your passion. Now let us see one example that how you can answer such kind of question. If you are applying for a job that requires a great deal of intellectual firepower, then you might share your passion for chess. Or if physical risk taking is required, you might mention your interest in rock climbing. So in a such a way, give short and sweet answer. I hope you understand. Now let us see the next question. The next common interview question is, are you willing to relocate? This is also an important question which interviewer wants to know. Let us see points. First point, if the answer is yes, I am willing to relocate. The second point is, if the answer is no. Let us see one example that how you can answer such kind of question. If the answer is yes, I am really excited about this opportunity and I feel I could provide great value in this role. I will definitely be open to reallocation and look forward to learning more details around this. I hope you are understand. Let us see another example that how you can answer such kind of question if the answer is no. I am very excited this opportunity. However, due to obligation, I am unable to reallocate this time. So, in a such a way, give short and sweet answer. I hope you are understand. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel.